Hi everyone, this is Chris from the GEMS program, and today I'm going to be showing you how to grow and culture your own bacteria here at home. First, you'll need to wear protective gloves and a laboratory coat so that you can protect and prevent contamination of your Petri dishes. The main ingredients that you'll need are 1 bottle of growth agar, sterile swabs, and Petri dishes which you'll use to grow your bacteria in. So the idea behind this experiment is that bacteria is all around us in the environment. It's on our skin, on the tables and surfaces around us, and even inside us. However, bacteria is microscopic, meaning that we can't view it with the unaided eye.
We can still view bacteria in the environment by allowing them to reproduce in culture media in favorable growth conditions. After a variable amount of time, the bacteria will begin to form observable cultures.
So the first step in this experiment is you'll have to first melt or liquefy your agar growth medium. You can do this by either heating it up in a water bath or microwaving it for 1 minute. After microwaving for 1 minute, you'll then microwave it for 15-second intervals until your agar growth medium is boiling. So before you take out your boiling agar growth medium, you'll need to make sure that you have a protective pad or glove so that when you remove your agar, you don't burn yourself. Once your agar medium has cooled, you'll want to then pour your agar into your Petri dish. Ideally, you want to pour 10 to 15 milliliters or so that your agar covers the entire surface of the Petri dish, like this. After you pour your agar, you'll then want to wait another 25 to 30 minutes so that the agar has time to re-solidify. So once your agar has solidified, you'll want to start to swab for bacteria in places in the environment.
It's a good idea to swab objects that have not been cleaned and have also had lots of human contact. This includes things like keyboards, phones, door handles, light switches, and remotes.
So before you start swabbing for bacteria in the environment, you want to make sure that you label your Petri dish with a Sharpie or marker. Right here we have our sterile swabs and our object that we're swabbing for. You'll want to open your sterile swabs so that when you're removing your swab, you don't touch the end with your fingers or gloves. Next, you'll take the object that you're swabbing for and rub the swab over it, like this. Next, you'll take your Petri dish, you'll remove the lid, and swab the agar in a fashion like this. You'll throw your swab in the trash can, and then you'll take your Petri dish and place it in a dark environment that's a little warmer than room temperature. So after 48 to 72 hours, you want to take your Petri dishes out and observe them. Here are 3 that I've done before. So I have a keyboard, a light switch, and a mouth swab. As you can see, I have the most bacterial culture growth on the keyboard, which you can see here. Next, I have some growth on the light switch, and I have the least growth on the mouth. When you're done observing your Petri dishes, you'll need to then dispose of them. Take a Ziploc bag and place your Petri dishes in like this, and then seal.